My name is Mimi.
My name is Pai Pong.
My name is Mio.
My name is Phu Fa. My name is Kim.
Today we are going to present about why we always close our eyes when we sneeze. We are from Khon Kaen Vitthayayon School English Program, Thailand.
Enjoy the video.
Hello, my name is Mimi. Her name is Kim. Her name is Pai Pong. Her name is Miom, and her name is Phu Fa. We are from Khon Kaen Vitthayayon School English Program M218. Today we are going to talk about why we always close our eyes when we sneeze. Yay! These are some topics that we are going to talk about. Why do we sneeze? Sneezing is a mechanism your body uses to clear the nose. When something such as dirt, pollen, dust enter your nose, the nose may become irritated. When this happens, your body does what it needs to do to clear the nose. It causes a sneeze.
Can people open their eyes when they sneeze? If you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyes do not pop out like the cartoons you've watched. Sneezing is involuntary, just like when you tapped on your knees and your legs automatically popped up. It's just the same. So, well, you may shut your eyelids to protect your eyes from germs or bacteria from your sneeze to get into your eyes. Or maybe your eyelids shut down because they're one of a series of muscles that tightening during that involuntary response.
How do we sneeze? The function of sneezing is to exhale mucus containing foreign particles or irritants and clean nasal cavity.
How fast of the speed that we sneeze? Sneezes travel at about 100 miles per hour. The highest recorded sneeze speed is 102.5 miles per hour.
Why books come out when we sneeze? Books are from dirt, dust, smoke, or something that we breathe. They are in our nose. It comes out because when we sneeze, frost also come from nose, so books also come out too.
Why do we sneeze? We sneeze because our nose wants to clear out germs and bacteria, so it becomes bugs.
The question that asks that if we can open our eyes when we sneeze, the answer is no, we cannot open our eyes when we sneeze, but some people does can.
How do we sneeze? When the inside of our nose gets a tickle, the message is sent to a special part of our brain called sneeze center.
How fast of the speed that we sneeze? Sneezes travel at about 100 miles per hour. That is why you need to close your mouth when you sneeze.
Why books come out when we sneeze? Books come out when we sneeze because frost also come from nose, so books also come out too.